Hola, foodies! Welcome back to DAV Facts Channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of tacos, a fiesta of flavor that not only satisfies the taste buds but also comes with surprising health benefits. Stick around as we explore the nutritional perks, share a recipe for crafting the perfect taco, and remind you about the importance of moderation and balance in your diet. Let's get this taco party started. Health benefits of tacos. First things first, let's talk about the health benefits of tacos. When prepared thoughtfully, tacos can be a nutritious and well-rounded meal. The combination of proteins, fibers, and various vitamins from ingredients like lean meats, fresh vegetables, and whole grains makes tacos a nutrient-packed delight. So, as we indulge in the deliciousness, we're also fueling our bodies with essential nutrients. Crafting the perfect taco. Now, let's dive into the art of making a delicious and healthful taco. Begin with your protein. Whether it's grilled chicken, lean beef, or flavorful plant-based alternatives like tofu or beans, ensuring a good source of protein is key. Load up on colorful veggies. Bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and avocado are not only tasty but also packed with vitamins and healthy fats. Choose whole grain or corn tortillas for added fiber and nutrients. And let's not forget the toppings. A dollop of Greek yogurt or salsa can add a burst of flavor without piling on unnecessary calories. The beauty of tacos is the endless variety, so feel free to get creative and customize to your heart's content. Moderation and balance. Before we dig into our taco feast, a friendly reminder: moderation is key. While tacos can be a nutritious choice, overindulging can lead to an imbalance in your diet. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so ensure you're incorporating a mix of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. And, of course, stay active for a holistic approach to a healthy lifestyle. There you have it, amigos. Tacos are not just a delicious treat. They bring a fiesta of flavors and health benefits to the table. We've explored the nutritional perks, shared a recipe for crafting the perfect taco, and stressed the importance of moderation and balance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures, and let us know in the comments your favorite taco fillings. Until our next food journey, remember to savor those tacos responsibly and keep the fiesta going in the name of good health. Adios for now. Thanks for joining us today on DAV Facts Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay hungry, stay healthy, and see you at the next fiesta.